Most people think their knee bones are rubbing or striking each other when they hear a cracking sound, but that's usually not true. In most cases, the sound happens because of tiny air bubbles inside the joint fluid. When the knee bends or moves, these bubbles form and burst, creating that cracking or popping sound. Sometimes the sound can also happen when tendons move slightly over the bones around the knee. If the sound happens without pain, swelling, or locking, it's usually harmless. But if the cracking comes with pain, swelling, or the knee getting stuck, it could indicate a meniscus or cartilage problem. So, painless cracking is usually normal, but painful cracking should not be ignored. Comment crack if your knees make this sound. Follow for simple physiotherapy explanations.